Alright, and now we're going to build the body of Hopper. Right now I already have cut the openings where the legs will go, and this is a new modification that I just did to the original file in order for the leg go inside and towards the bulkhead. On the original file, the lower pole was segmented, but now I decided to do it this way. It's much easier just to make one full leg. So these two halves are joined here with this connector, so I will apply some glue here. Make a thin film of glue. Okay, start making pressure. Apply pressure. Alright, now let's connect the rest. Let's apply glue here as well. When it's too much glue, just try removing it. Leaving a thin film. That's it. It's better. Now let's connect both pieces together. You have to be careful. Just align. Anchor one point here. And press the rest. Press the other end, I mean. If you have long fingers, you can do this by gluing the rest of the seam line, but if not, just try to be creative and place something on the back, like this dowel that will only allow me to press the seam line. I'm aligning it there. Perfect. Okay, that will be it. And we're not done yet, but not bad. Here it is. Nicely put. Nicely glued. Now I'm going to put the inner wall and try aligning these holes with the opposite ones. So you have an inner wall here. It will go something like this. All right. There. Okay, that's the engine section where the bulkhead will be placed. Okay, this is the second part and will be placed here as well. But we'll glue these pieces together. All right, let's do this. Let me clean my hands. Just be very careful joining these pieces. Okay. And this will go on the inside. It have to be aligned very carefully. With that, we'll just glue here on the edges, and also I will add glue on this section. All right. I'm just applying a little bit of glue there. I don't know if the camera is capturing all this. I'm going to align Okay. Alright, good. It was done in real time. You saw what it took. It's not easy, but there. So there, everything looks aligned. It will allow me to insert the legs. Alright, this is one of the most challenging steps by adding this interior wall. With trial and error and many attempts, you can do this. Alright, then after this, we'll just add the upper dome. First, the formers inside to keep the shape. We're gonna put the bulkhead, and then we're gonna start inserting the legs and all the other details. Alright, thank you.